These are the 5 to 8 gallon replacement bags for your wet and dry vacuum. I'm using these here on a Stanley vacuum. It's the 4 horsepower, 6 gallon model. These just do a really great job. I'm very pleased with them. You pick these up in a 12 pack. They're made really nice. They have the reinforced cardboard right here and they fit in here really nice. Again, this is the 6 gallon one. So it's rated for 5 to 8. So 6 is basically right in the middle here. It just fits in there really nicely. The cardboard really adds a nice touch to it. You can see this is a new bag that's in here. So I just put it in recently and it just fits in here really nicely. The round part, it's universal. It's gonna fit in here good and just does a really nice job. Very pleased with these bags. They fit a lot of different models. So 5 to 8 is a very universal vacuum type. So definitely want to check these out if you're looking for a replacement. They fit in there really nicely. Just it's a direct fit to the factory ones that come with the vacuum. And it's just a really nice upgrade. I like the fact that you pick up 12 of these. So if you need to change them out frequently, I think when I bought this, the manufacturer gave me maybe 1 or 2 only. So I've been using these for a while and again, very pleased with them. They just do a really nice job. You just take it out of there, toss it, and just change it out whenever you need a new one. Comes in a pack of 12. They're just wrapped up like this here. This is just one stat from the packaging here. So you just unwrap one each time you need to use it, put it in the vacuum, and you're good to go. So definitely want to check these out. It's the 5 to 8 gallon replacement bags. Works just like the factory ones. Very pleased with these.